Hello smart viewers, welcome back to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to continue our last lesson about to be in simple present tense. In the last lesson, I explained you about how to use to be in positive sentences. Well, this time I'd like to explain you about the negative form and question form of present tense of to be. Okay, we use am not or am not. He is not or he is not. Are not or aren't. Example: I am not a doctor. You aren't a soldier or you are not a soldier. He is not a teacher. He isn't a teacher. She is not very well. She isn't very well. It is not a fine day. It isn't a fine day. We aren't very well. We are not very well. They aren't here. They are not here. Well, it is positive. I mean negative. What about question form? Okay. Example: am I late? Are you a teacher? Is he a doctor? Is she a nurse? It is a good day. Are we here? Are they in the classroom? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, use to subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks for watching.